Oh, snap. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good. Kingston, I thought on video, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to be happy, you know? Ay! Ooh! Defense! Who? Wait, wrong team. Come on, Kingston. You're in the front video. Yeah, you do. Oh! Oh! Yo, Kingston! I didn't get that! Nah. I'm playing. I got it. I'm playing. I got you. One point. Wait. Oh, come on, Leo. Hey, that's in. I think so. Leo. Give me some. Yeah. Let's go, Bills. I really wish I can play. Mr. You hearing this? I really wish I can play, you know? Oh, my fault, guys. My fault. Hey, y'all need to step up your game. Come on. That little boy got the ball again. I don't know his name. Interception. Bye. Damn, I really hope y'all don't watch this video because like I don't know their guys' names. Y'all gonna hate on me. Hey, you sure you're young, bruh? You had a whole beard. Hey man, no cussing. Kingston, you're in the front page.